Hey guys, just wanted to share with you our new special blend here this week at Cleveland's. It's made by our friends down at Little Marionette and it's called the Sanchez No. 7.
Soccer, I totally smashed him, 64-2, and now we're gonna go get pizza.
Hey guys, it's Rosemarie here. I finally made it to the Cherry Blossom Festival that I told you about. And if you look behind me, it is absolutely incredible. The season only lasts for one more week, so make sure that you get down here. And if you post pictures, tag me so that I can see.
The driver says skip and the wingman wants to listen to the song. There's 3 times that he can say, no, I'm not skipping this song.
I think that's really reasonable.
They're great rules.
It's warm and sunny.
It's not, it's actually quite windy.
Yeah, it's a little bit chilly.
But we wish you were here.
Exactly, we do. And we'll see you soon.
Very soon.
Bye!
Bye!
Hi everyone, Ryan here at Rode. The Rode VideoMic Pro has been the world's leading microphone choice for professional on-camera audio over the past 5 years. Its lightweight and small form factor makes it convenient to mount atop your camera, while its high-quality microphone capsule, paired with extremely low noise electronics, has helped countless camera operators capture professional quality audio. For DSLR and mirrorless camera operators, the innovative plus 20 dB level boost has allowed them to capture audio without the camera's internal noise floor interfering. The VideoMic Pro is an incredible microphone, and today I'm happy to tell you that it just got even better. Introducing the new Rode VideoMic Pro. The new Rode VideoMic Pro features Rycote's famous Lyre suspension system made from an advanced thermoplastic that exhibits exceptional suspension properties, isolating your microphone from handling noise. The Lyre suspension will never snap, bend or break, ensuring that your suspension system never needs replacement. A completely new capsule provides even lower self-noise and higher sensitivity than the original model, ensuring that you capture crystal clear audio every time. The new design retains the audio controls of the original model with a high-pass filter set at 80 Hz to enable you to cut out low-frequency noise, such as traffic noise or the low rumble of an air conditioning unit, without affecting the pickup of the essential human voice frequencies. A minus 10 dB pad enables recording in extremely loud environments, while the famous plus 20 dB boost enables you to reduce the preamp volume of your DSLR or mirrorless camera, simultaneously reducing the camera's self-noise level and enabling you to capture crystal clear audio every time.
This is Josh. We're in Sydney for the Vivid Festival. We've got the Opera House behind us and we've got the rest of Sydney to explore tonight.
Let's go.
This is really nice. Like, I've got the Harbour Bridge in the background. And I've got Josh standing over there. He just wants a turn, but he's not getting a turn. Check it out. Look at that. See? later, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Ryan Burke here at Rode, and today we are looking at the Filmmaker Wireless Kit. The RodeLink Filmmaker Kit is a digital wireless system comprising of a belt pack transmitter and receiver system along with a broadcast grade lavalier microphone. The RodeLink system was designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind, so today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to set up and operate. Out of the box, the receiver of the Filmmaker Kit comes with a cold shoe attachment mounted for easy mounting atop a camera or rig, and this shoe can be removed if you're going to be mounting the receiver on a sound bag for dual system audio. The transmitter also has a belt clip for easy mounting on your talent, however the transmitter is also compatible with a cold shoe mount, adding to the versatility of the RodeLink system. The Filmmaker Kit comes with a broadcast grade lavalier microphone with a locking connector for absolute cable security when in use. Let's go ahead and power up both packs. Now, as you can see, the receiver displays the battery status of both units, along with the audio level, mute status, and channel selection. To set the gain on each unit, press and slide the back panel down to access the level and channel controls. You'll want to monitor the level on the receiver while setting up the transmitter to make sure that you have a healthy level, kind of like this that we have coming in at the moment. Once you've set up your gain correctly on the transmitter, you can adjust the output gain of the receiver to match the camera. The receiver has a high output level, allowing you to turn down the camera preamp, in turn reducing the self-noise of the camera. You can also adjust the output level in 10 dB increments to set the perfect level for whatever gear you're using, whether it be direct to camera or into an external recorder. The Rode VXLR adapter is also available separately for connecting your RodeLink system into an XLR input. The Filmmaker Kit can be muted by pressing the power button on the transmitter for half a second, or by pressing the mute button on the receiver unit. If there is a chance of accidental muting of the transmitter during shooting, a mute lock function can be activated on the receiver by pressing and holding the mute button, removing the mute functionality from the transmitter side. The system can be used with up to 8 packs in the same space at the same time, and channel setup couldn't possibly be easier. To set up the RodeLink pack on a different channel for easy identification, simply press the pair button on the receiver unit. From here, you can toggle to the channel that you would like to use, and then once you're on the correct channel, you can press the pair button on the transmitter unit and your unit will automatically be paired within seconds.
You're listening to the onboard audio from the Sony. I do have some windscreens on the microphone. Also, I do want to let you guys know that once I get into the BY MM1 audio tests, I will be using a Tascam DR05 plugged into it. That way I can watch the onboard audio levels and everything like that. So let's get into the review. Alright, so like I said, I have had it for a couple months. And overall, I feel that it's a really good microphone. It's small, it's portable. The fact that it doesn't have a battery is awesome. That it just runs just like this. That's great. When I turn the recorder off, it does shut off. So there's no having to use it. When I do some small interviews, face-to-face interview type thing with the windscreen on it, I've used it inside and outside. It works very well for being a budget microphone, so I like it. I think it's great. So let's just get into some audio tests right now. All right, so now you're listening to me through the BOYA BY MM1 on my small rig next to my Sony Alpha A5100. I do have it with no dead cat on it right now. I have the windscreen in my hand. Going into my Tascam DR05. So once again, what you're listening to right now is the BOYA BY MM1, no windscreen, going into my sound recorder. Now you're listening to the BOYA BY MM1 with the windscreen on. The dead cat is on, going into my audio recorder.